Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how to change language back to English on Google Chrome. So in order to begin, guys, you can have any tab open, it doesn't matter, you can be just on this home page and then navigate to the top right corner, press on three dots, go to settings right over here. And in here we're looking at a tab that is related to languages, which is the one right over here. Click on it. And in here, guys, on the very top, as you can see, my Chrome is already set to English. But if you want to set it back to English from another language, for example, you've had Danish in here and you want to set it back, say to English United States, you press on three dots and you press display Chrome in this language. After that, the Chrome will ask you to restart, and there's going to be a button right over here on the bottom right. You press on it, it will close, open back up, and the language will be changed back to English. Enjoy, guys. If you like these kind of tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe.